Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a debit card on the PNC Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pnc.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PNC Bank website. Now from the home page, click on the sign on button at the top right corner and then you will be asked to use your credentials. Just type in your user ID followed by your account password and then click on the login button, and once you have been logged into your account, you can click on the products and services feature, and from this page click on prepaid reloadable card. Now if you see this message on your screen, then this means that you can no longer apply for a debit card on the PNC Bank. However, within some regions you might not see this message, which means that there might still be time in order to sign up for it. Tap on the sign on to smart access button and then you can click on the need username option at the top right corner. From there you can simply apply using your credentials and your personal information to get your debit card delivered to you on your mail. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to apply for a debit card on PNC Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.